If you're trading futures on Tradovate, you should never enter a trade without protection. So in this one, we're talking about how to set stop loss and take profit correctly using the bracket orders. So firstly, when you're opening the order ticket, open a chart and then click buy or sell to open the order ticket. This does not execute yet, you're just preparing the trade. Then step number 2, enable bracket orders. In the order ticket, turn on bracket. Then what it does, this lets you automatically place a stop loss and take profit together with your entry. And then you can set the stop loss firstly. So in the stop loss field, enter the number of ticks you're willing to risk. Example, 10 ticks below your entry price. This automatically exits if the market moves against you. Then we have the take profit. So in the target or take profit field, enter your profit distance in ticks. For example, 20 ticks above entry. Then the next step, you can place the trade. Click buy market or sell market. Tradovate immediately places entry order, stop loss, and take profit. So this is going to be your interface. You can see the ticks, and then you choose type, take profit and stop loss, and of course set the entries, and then press on save. Also, you can drag the stop or target lines directly on the chart to fine-tune risk. And that's how you set stop loss and take profit on Tradovate using bracket orders, the safest way to trade futures. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe.